In the quiet streets of Roswell, Georgia, a routine traffic stop for a young woman was just a normal day. But suddenly, it turned into one of the most unprofessional incidents ever caught on camera. After a relentless police officer decided to flip a coin to determine her fate, a simple speeding ticket turned into an unbelievable arrest.
Stay in the car.
Sorry, my window doesn't hold.
Off to Roswell Police Department. You know how fast you were just going, ma'am?
I'm so sorry. I'm late for work.
So you could go over 80 miles per hour on 92? No, ma'am. You have your driver's license and your insurance card?
Yeah, my insurance.
Turn off the car and pass me the keys, please. The ground's wet. It's been raining. You're going over 80 miles an hour
so
on this type of a road. That's reckless driving, ma'am. Where do you work at?
I work in Duluth at Johnny Parker Hair Studio.
Okay.
I'm a hairstylist.
Okay. So you think driving that fast on a wet road is a smart idea just because you're late for work? Instead of calling and say you're running late for work, you would rather risk people's lives.
I'm sorry. This is LexisNexis. I'm trying to look it up. I don't have it printed off.
Give me 1 second. I'll be right with you. Go for it. Apple 113. I'm having issues with my CAD. Can you please do an 8 and 10 check on the Georgia tag, Romeo Delta Romeo 3909, as well as an 8 and 10 check on a Georgia driver's license. Charlie
2, I'm out with Alpha 1.
Bravo 1 Alpha 10.
Hey. She was going like almost 90 down 92.
Oh, really?
She flew past me. I had to get up to 90 to catch her.
Wow.
My CAD's not working. Is yours? Did you?
I checked.
Can you see if can you check the tag too? I'm gonna have to restart this and see what the deal is. I'm on 3.
Alpha 1.
Alpha 1.
Contact to 2005 Mercury Stable to the Sky Web at Lawrenceville. Valid -10.
I'm gonna restart my computer.
Following returns to Sarah Webb, Class C, valid -10.
Copy, thank you.
Make me skid around and
I'm gonna take her probably for reckless.
Okay.
She flew past me going probably 80, 85 on 92 in the wet road. She said she's running late for work. I had to get up to 90 to catch her. What do you think? I mean, I don't have any speed detections at the same time, but...
No, but you can use the fact that you were going whatever speed and she went past you.
Mm-hmm.
It's on camera, so you're going to have a back speed. You're going to have the fact that you went 90 to catch up to her. You're going to have too fast for conditions, and...
Yeah, I mean, that's unacceptable. I told her, I said, you know the roads are wet, correct? You're running late for work and you're going above 80
Right.
to get to work. I said, call. So do not do that and put people's lives in jeopardy.
Yeah.
So, my CAD just froze on me, so I'm restarting it right now. What do you think? Or just tickets?
Atlanta answer or Roswell answer?
Hold on. Are you? Okay, hold on. Thank you.
Active, valid.
Yeah, sorry, she did it. Unavailable. My CAD's not working. Who's that?
A head, R tail.
Okay.
This is tail, right?
Yeah. So release.
23.
Michael Jordan? Alright. So I got too fast for. Let me write this down.
Too fast for conditions.
Is it
Riders-
reckless?
Yeah, you can do reckless, and then speeding, and you're just gonna have to mark the pace one instead of the.
I mean, either way, the speed limit here is what, 45?
Yeah.
45.
She was going way.
Yeah.
I mean, because I haven't done one like speeding like that, so that's why I'm a little bit unsure.
You're gonna do the patrol vehicle spot, and then it's gonna ask you for moving or not moving, and you're gonna do moving.
Can you help me do these dang tickets? My CAD won't even log me in.
Just to catch up to it.
Sorry. Alright, I'm gonna go. Yeah, that's not okay. Yeah. Alright, man. Do me a favor. Step out of the vehicle for me. Put the phone down.
Why am I
Put your phone down. Step out of the vehicle. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Because, ma'am, you're driving entirely too fast for conditions. You put a lot of people's lives in jeopardy, okay? Double locking these so that they don't tighten on you. Do me a favor and step in front of my vehicle, ma'am. Step in front of my patrol vehicle. Do you have anything in your pockets of? Do you have anything on you? Poke, stick, or stab me? Any drugs, paraphernalia, anything like that? Okay. You have a bond. Here, turn to the side for me. Here, move on, Burkett. I'm just gonna shake this out, okay? Alright. Do me a favor, step over here. My patrol vehicle. Have a seat for me. We're gonna buckle you in, okay? RDR 390R. Alpha 1 in custody.
919.
Alpha 1, can you please start me at 85? How does this open? Perfume.
Shoot out the 189.
Sunglasses. Times 2. Let's change. There you go.
2289.
And Michael Cardag. Bag. Shoes, clothing. I don't know if you're gonna get too hot. You can take your phone with you. Now your makeup bags and all that. Is it okay to leave those in the car? Cause you can make a phone call, but that's all you can do. If you want to call them, you're allowed to call them. But okay. Give me 1 second. I'll let you call them. Okay. Thank you. Who's it? You're no.
Nope. I am, but without a stamper.
Oh.
Who's that?
I don't know. Why are they plugging me?
He's not a notary either.
No one's a notary that's here? All of you.
Got 5 people. I mean, I am. I just don't have my stamp yet.
Apple one. Can you please start notary?
You good?
Yeah. No notaries. Huh?
Going away with the car or?
Yeah, if you can. Well, I still gotta wait for a notary, so the 85 might get here in time. But if not, do you want to stay?
Yeah, I'll stay just.
Okay. How is no one a notary here?
Notary request, for 12-1.
Okay.
Go ahead.
You're in a gun for me. It's a regular LCR 380.
2,280.
What is your passcode, ma'am? I'll let you call whoever you need to. I understand, but you can't. Who do you need to call, ma'am? Who do you need to call, ma'am? Vince? Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to jail.
Program 92. Wait, Acadia.
Reckless driving.
Golf,
I was speeding. So they're taking me to jail.
Why are they taking you to jail for?
Because I was speeding.
You want me to come get your car?
Can you please?
He can't come get your car. He can't come and get your car.
No. Okay, apparently he can't come get my car.
Why?
I don't know, baby.
Cobb County?
Where does he live?
Go to jail for reckless driving or speeding. You're going to be doubling his speed
Well,
limit.
this
It's the only
bitch is
thing
in a
they can
bad
arrest you
mood.
for.
Okay, have a good day, sir.
There's no reason that I should be going to jail right now.
Okay.
Then 4 cop cars? That's ridiculous.
I get into the coding.
Sarge. Sorry. If I could notarize my own stuff, I would.
Well, I just went up to Bentgrass looking for you because it says 92 in Bentgrass and you're at the post office. Alright.
Okay. About Bentgrass. Go for it.
The backlash was immediate once this footage went public, leading to major consequences. Sarah Webb's speeding charges were completely dropped. As for the two police officers involved, Courtney Brown and Christy Wilson, they were both placed on administrative leave and quickly resigned from the Roswell Police Department before they could be fired. Justice was served, but it shows how close a citizen's freedom came to a literal flip of a coin. What do you think about this case? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to American Bodycam, and see you in the next case.